break down. Lose control emotionally or stop working. She broke down crying after the argument. Freak out. Become too emotional and unable to stay calm. He became freak out and couldn't stay calm when he lost his phone. Piss off. Make someone feel irritated or upset. He really pissed off his boss by being rude. Slack off. Be lazy or avoid work. He slacked off all semester and failed the class. Call out. Publicly criticize someone. She called out her boss for being unfair. Choke up. Become so emotional that you can't talk. He choked up when talking about his past mistakes. Blow off. Ignore or cancel plans without care. He blew off our meeting and went to a party instead. Crack down on. Take strict action against something. The police are cracking down on street racing. Mess up. Do something wrong or cause something to go badly. He messed up his interview by arriving late. Act up. Behave badly or cause problems. The kids always act up when they're tired. Back off. Stop being aggressive or annoying. Back off, dude. You're really annoying me. Beef up. Make something stronger or bigger, often used negatively for security or force. The school had to beef up security after the fight. Burn out. Become extremely tired from too much work. He burned out after working 80 hours a week. Cheat on. Be unfaithful in a relationship. He cheated on his girlfriend, and she dumped him. Clam up. Stop talking suddenly, usually from fear or embarrassment. He clammed up when the teacher asked about his homework. Cut off. Stop communication or support. His parents cut him off after he dropped out of school. Do over. Do something again because it was done wrong. Your work is terrible. Do it over. Dumb down. Make something too simple, often in a negative way. They dumbed down the test, so it's too easy now. Face up to. Accept something difficult or bad. He needs to face up to his mistakes and apologize. Fall apart. Become emotionally or physically broken. After losing his job, his life started to fall apart. Fall for. Believe something that is not true or be fooled by someone's trick. She fall for his false apology again and got tricked. Go off on. Shout at someone or say bad things to them in an angry way. She went off on her friend for lying. Hold back. Try not to show feelings or respond to something. He held back his anger during the argument. Jack up. Raise prices in a way that is not fair. They jacked up the rent, so people had to move out. Joke around. Not take things seriously, sometimes in a bad way. Stop joking around and focus on your work. Let down. Make someone feel sad or unhappy because you didn't do what they expected. He let down his team by not showing up. Put down. Insult or criticize someone. She always puts down her little brother. Run out of. Have no more of something. We ran out of gas in the middle of nowhere. Screw up. Make a big mistake. I screwed up my exam by forgetting to study. talk back. Respond rudely to authority. Don't talk back to your teacher. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.